Adobe has just launched Firefly Boards worldwide, its AI-first collaborative space now open to all creators. Previously in beta, Firefly Boards now integrates top-tier models from Adobe and partners like Runway, Moonvalley, Google, Luma, and more. Now featuring two new AI video models, Runway Aleph and Moonvalley Marey, letting creators generate motion clips, storyboards, and more right inside Boards. New features such as presets, generative text edit beta, and describe image now let you move from idea to execution faster. You can also generate videos with transparency, layer them, remix visuals, and iterate without leaving your idea space. Adobe has adjusted its subscription model. New tiers, Standard, Pro, Premium, with additional benefits in the Firefly Plus Creative Cloud plans. This global launch marks Adobe's bid to centralize ideation. Imagine brainstorming, iterating, and collaborating all in one place powered by AI. For creators, this could drastically reduce friction. But as with all AI tools, quality, originality, and brand voice will still matter. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's explore more in the future.